Very excited to be opening this gig.
And I do hope you enjoy it. Give it all just to make you mine. And if you need a minute, honey, I'll give you all my time, all the time. Do you need a Sandman or a phone call to Mr. Jones? Oh, I'll put your dreams to sleep with rattling bones. So don't go to sleep, don't rest your head. I'll be the pillow and I'll be the bed, holding your dreams as you lie to rest. Evangeline, Evangeline, don't go to sleep, don't rest your head. I'll be the pillow and I'll be the bed, holding your dreams as you lie to rest. Evangeline. Anybody call a doctor? I'm 1,000 degrees in love. Whoa, and I'm sick of all the guessing between the two of us. You're my angel in the doorway, I couldn't bear to lose you. And if you're so in love, honey, why stay refused? So don't go to sleep, don't rest your head. I'll be the pillow and I'll be the bed, holding your dreams as you lie to rest. Evangeline, Evangeline, don't go to sleep, don't rest your head. I'll be the pillow and I'll be the bed, holding your dreams as you lie to rest. Evangeline. I can't help it with you, stubborn-hearted blue. The lights come into the room when disco plays our tune. 'Cause there's nothing like it, not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you. 'Cause I can't wait for you. I can't wait for you. Admire you, but fire burns me too. Can't stop that disco getting through. Can't stop that disco wanting you. 'Cause there's nothing like it, locking my eyes with you. I can't fight it, splitting my mind in two. 'Cause I can't wait for you. When we're out in the crowd laughing loud and nobody knows why. When we're lost at a club getting drunk and you give me that smile. When we're done making love and you look up and give me those eyes. 'Cause all of the small things that you do, oh, what remind me why I fell for you. And when we're apart and I'm missing you, I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do. When you call me at night while you're out getting high with your friends, every high, every bye, every I love you you've ever said. 'Cause all of the small things that you do, oh, what remind me why I fell for you. And when we're apart and I'm missing you, I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do. When we're done making love and you look up and give me those eyes. 'Cause all of the small things that you do, oh, what remind me why I fell for you. And when we're apart and I'm missing you, I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do. All the small things you do.
Yellowstone. Good evening. Cause if you have, even if you need, I don't mean to stare, we don't have to breathe. We can play a house, we can make a cheat, I don't even care. We can have a three, sit, 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 sit. I don't care, get up the soul, I don't mind. a step, we don't have to breathe. We can pat a house, we can get a key. I don't even care, we can have a three. She said, 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 she said. Nice one. We're Yellowstone. That was our first overtime gigging. I'm going to pass you over to my main man, Aggie.
Missed our conversation, try and make you realize you're so set on focus on the way the time seems to fly by. Got less time than you think we do. It's gonna go so fast, gonna burn right through. Stop for a second and talk this one through. To me, darling, when you talk like that, you're gonna give me a heart attack. Those words could not have been said. I never thought I'd cry from hearing my name when you said goodbye. The tears they you think we do. It's gonna go so fast, gonna burn right through. Stop for a second and talk this one through. Listen to me, darling, when you talk like that, you're gonna give me a heart attack. Those words could not have been said. I never thought I'd cry from hearing my name when you said goodbye. The tears they came. I never thought I'd cry from hearing my name when you said goodbye. The tears they came. Thought I'd cry from hearing my name, but when you said goodbye, the tears they came.
Hello, my name is Osh. Thank you very much. I'm very honoured to play with Yellowstone. This is a song I wrote myself. I'm not 100% sure what it's called, so if you have any ideas, please let me know. Are these angels living in my head? Am I going to places I've never been before? In these eyes of my lover, I see her jogging my lord. I can't go anymore. Well, I'm bleeding out and I don't feel no pain. Let me lie to your face again. Well, I'm bleeding out and I don't feel no pain. Let me lie, let me lie. Do I hear these angels in my youth? Am I forgetting? I can't take out the truth. See, I'm blinded, I can't hide it anymore. I can go with you. Well, I'm breathing out and I don't feel no pain. Let me lie to your face again. Well, I'm bleeding out and I don't feel no pain. I said let me lie
but it's so good. I've never known anybody like you, but it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime, and I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone
change it, but I can't. So if the chain is on your door, I understand. But this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I'd realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December, turn around and change my own mind. I go back to December, turn around and make it alright. I go back to December all the time.
This is For Whom the Bell Tolls. Got this chill deep inside. Telling going run to the end of the rain. Oh, you fight for the right, yes, but who's to say? For a hill men we kill, why did you not know? Steering moves is a pride. Men are five still alive through the raging gloom. Going save for the pain that they surely know. For whom the bell tolls, time marches on. For whom the bell tolls. Take a look to the sky just before you die. It's the last time you will. Like a roll, magic roll, fills the crumbling sky. Shattered souls gonna go with a ruthless cry. Victor now, or his eyes to this mystery. In a silence so loud. All was gone except the will to be. Lord, be me that did I still see. Through the bell tolls, time marches on. Hello everybody. I just want to thank everyone here for being here today. I want to thank everyone that helped set this event up, all the tutors, all the people, they're all amazing. I want to give a special thanks to our band manager Micah. Helped us out a lot over these past few days and it's been very helpful. Yeah! Thank you! Right. Yeah! Right, this next song is about a car. Running down the highway, we're on the burn. You can hear the squealing as the tyres turn. Got my hand on the window, got the breeze in my hair. Ripping past the roadworks, can't help but stare. 60R, GTR, 60R, GTR, 60R, GTR, 60R, GTR. 60er, GTR, 60er, GTR, 60er, GTR, 60er, GTR. Don't you know, big flash, fancy car, see that, 60er, GTR, don't you know, big flash, fancy car, see that, 60er, GTR, don't you know, big flash, fancy car, see that, 60er, GTR, don't you know, big flash, fancy car, see that, 60er, GTR, don't you know, big flash, fancy car, see that, 60er, GTR, don't you know, big flash, fancy car, see that, 60er, GTR. Right, do you want to take some time to introduce the band here? To my right on the rhythm guitar, we have Ollie. Yeah, Ollie, yeah! Behind me on the sticks, we have Jay. Woo, Jay, woo! I'm your lead singer and lead guitarist, Tommy. Alright, you should all know this next song. And it started off by my mate Jay behind me. Oh, and you, by the way. What's this Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery. See us Scooby-Doo. We're coming after you. What's this Scooby-Doo? What's this Scooby-Doo? We're gonna follow you. We're gonna solve that mystery. See us Scooby-Doo. The jelly's back to you. What's this Scooby-Doo? Don't look back, you may find another clue. Scooby snack, we'll be waiting for you. What's your Scooby-Doo? We're gonna follow you. You're gonna solve that mystery. See us Scooby-Doo, we're coming after you. What's your Scooby-Doo? Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Thank you! Yeah! This is Yuan, by the way.
Are you ready for some more? Okay, here we have Madison.
Why don't you be you? everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me, and I'll be me. Inside of mine, when we both know it just don't belong. Nothing on earth could make this feel right. Trying to push this problem up the hill when it's too heavy to hold. I think it's now the time to let it slide. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you, and I'll be me? Everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Let the ashes fall, forget about me. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you? Sure me feel like I can't live without you, and it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I walked across an empty land. I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you'll have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you'll have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we
But we have one more band for you. Have you all enjoyed the show? Sorry, I can't hear you. Have you all enjoyed the show? All right. I'd like to thank you all for coming. Here are Cavallo.
I would just like to take this moment to thank you all for any donations that any of you have given us. It goes to Alder Hey Children's Hospital, and all of the donations really do matter. I want to say thank you to the band. Thank you to the team that helped set up the whole stage. We literally had to build the stage. Thank you to Ash for being a DJ. I want to say thank you to Ruben. Thank you to Ollie. You've already met him. But this is Abby. And then the one on the drums in the back is Henry. And I've been Sienna, and this has been Cavallo. Thank you so much.